최고!
Hi, you paisanos! And welcome to Super Media All-Stars. My name is Jake, and I love me a good, fashion, old crate style box. It's not even a subscription box this time. I found this guy at Walmart. I go to Walmarts all the time. I only found it at one specific Walmart. And 'tis the season to be scary, so I got myself the Horror Haul. And it has a whole bunch of IPs that I love. That's the only reason why I picked it up. It's got The Shining. It's got Friday the 13th. Nightmare on Elm Street. It. I'm assuming that font is It from last year, 2017. And The Exorcist. I'm a huge fan of the horror genre, but I just started to be about like 3-4 years ago. And let's see here. Shining is one of my favorite movies of all time. Friday the 13th, I just marathoned last year for the first time. Jason, I kind of like the guy. Freddy Krueger, Nightmare on Elm Street, that's my favorite series that I've binged so far. I would definitely take Freddy Krueger over Jason Voorhees, but that's another story. Pennywise with It, hell of a movie last year. And Exorcist, one of the best horror movies ever made. So, let's bust this bad boy open and see what it's got inside. I'm going to open it just like this. And I'm not going to look, I'm going to have you look first. Is there anything good? I kind of want to peek. Coming in. Oh boy, what a great box there is. Culture Fly. There's a half-off code, so that's fun. Let's get this big-ass box out of the way first. This is The Exorcist. It looks like we have a glow-in-the-dark mug. My wife is a big fan of coffee mugs, and I'm a big fan of movie memorabilia. So, match made in heaven. Let's find out. Open it up. And yeah, it's just kind of that classic poster art, really, of just him at the light post, ready to go and see some evil shit. Yeah, super cool. Can't go wrong with an Exorcist mug. Let's dig in here, see what's next, and room 237. I want there to be a better Shining thing in here, I'm not gonna lie. The Shining, like, room number keychain is kind of cool. If you put it on a keychain, it's a nice little piece of like, hey, I'm a fan of this. You know me, you wanna talk? You like Shining too? Okay, chit chat. This is cool. I might have a key to put this on. I don't know if I want to put this on my regular set. I might, I don't know. It's cooler the more I look into it just because of the whole room number hotel, overlook hotel type thing. It's a good, it's not blowing me away. Next off, here's the Friday the 13th thing. And this is a little weak sauce, this is a little filler. But it's a nice little Jason Voorhees plushie. Really so squishy. Yeah, this is weak. My dog will rip this up in like 3 minutes. Maybe my daughter will lay her little sleepy head on there. Who knows? It's okay, it's a plush next. Okay, Nightmare on Elm Street. We got a little green and red going, just like his sweater. And this looks like it's a scarf. Okay. I don't wear scarves ever, and I don't think I'm gonna need to anytime soon with this little insulation. It's got the neck covered pretty well, but what do you think? I think it's alright. I have a little horror shrine in my VHS DVD room over there in storage, so I might just wrap this around everything. This is pretty cool. It's not. I'm never gonna wear this, but if I can display it, like, these colors are distinct enough for Freddy Krueger, I would think. So, yeah, we got a little Freddy scarf. I'm taking this off. Oh, this needs to come off of me right now. And last but not least, we have a Pennywise vinyl figure. It's not horrible. It's not the best. It's pretty much a Loot Crate-esque figure. None of them have really blown me away. There's been a couple, but the majority of them just look like this. It's not horrible. So, okay. Here is everything we had in the box. I'm gonna go from like best to worst. Let's just do that. Best by far, The Exorcist mug. This is probably 10, 15 bucks. I like it, the glow-in-the-dark thing. It's cool. Yeah, you can't go wrong with a classic mug. This is definitely the best. Second best, let's do The Shining keychain, if I'm being honest. Room 237 is cool. As soon as you look at this, you're like, oh, hey, you're a Shining fan, I'm gonna talk to you. Don't know if I'm going to put it on my keys or not, but it's a nice little piece. It's probably the second best thing in here. Third best, let's do Pennywise, little vinyl figure. I think it's just okay. I wanted it to be a little better, a little bit more detailed. It's not, but if you put it up on a shelf, like I am going to do, put it right next to Tim Curry's Steelbook of It, you can't really tell the difference. It looks good from up there, so that's probably third best. In fourth place comes the spooky, scary Nightmare on Elm Street scarf. It's okay, and again, never gonna wear a scarf, but at least it has cool Freddy Krueger sweater colors. It's just something to decorate with for me. In last place by far is the Jason Voorhees plushie. This thing's stupid. My dog is gonna rip it apart in seconds, and I really don't even want it again. So yeah, that's it. If I had to rate this box, probably gonna rate it 3 out of 5. Like the mug, like the keychain. Scarf is meh. Pennywise is meh. Awful Jason Voorhees plushie. So yeah, that's pretty average in my book. If you find this box in the wild, let me know. Let me know what you think about it, because I've only seen it at once, so I think it's kind of hard to find. And I'm a big horror guy, and I just thought this was meh. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What's your favorite part in here? What's your favorite franchise out of all of these? What's your favorite type of subscription box? Because I have a lot of unboxings that John and I have done on this channel. There's going to be a playlist up top. I love unboxing these things, but the majority of the time they let me down. It makes me sad. But it's fun to see my reaction to how sad I get, or really how mad I get. This one wasn't a mad, this was just a disappointed. If you want to see anything else that Super Media All-Stars has done, there's going to be a subscribe link on here too. Please click and just see what we do, and if you like it, subscribe. So until next time, I'll see ya!